You are in the process of trying to sell your house and have your marketing up and running. So, how do you convert callers into offers? Here is one method. A tip on how to get offers when showing your house. Once you have decided to sell your home, there are a couple of steps you have to take. The first is to get the home ready to show by doing repairs, landscaping, and so on. Once you are ready to go, you have to start marketing the home. Assuming you have done all of this, the house is in good shape and you are competitively priced, you should start getting calls from potential buyers. These calls then turn into appointments and buyers come to see your home. At this point, you probably expect that I will start writing about how to negotiate or accept offers. Wrong. The next step in the process is often one of frustration. The frustration arises from wishy-washy buyers. They come and see the home, but leave without making an offer. They may come back a couple of times, but they simply never get around to doing the deed as they say. Simply put, this is because you have failed to address the issue of motivation. Buyers need to be motivated to take action. The more motivated they are, the faster they will move. For instance, consider the holiday shopping season. Nobody, and I means nobody, is out browsing in the malls. Why? The buyers are highly motivated to buy because there is a deadline and they probably have more than a few people to shop for. Simply put, they are highly motivated to do the deed. Returning to our scenario above, what motivation do the buyers have to make an offer? Do they feel any pressure to do so? Unless there is something particular to their personal situation, the answer is that they do not. You must provide the motivation. Here is how. One of the complaints of sellers is that they feel like they are constantly showing their homes to potential buyers without getting an offer. They may show the property 3, 4, or even 10 times a week. If this is your situation, you are doing it wrong. The way to motivate buyers to make an offer on your home is to show it only once a week or 2 weeks if the market is slow. Set aside an hour or so on a particular day and make all the potential buyers come at the same time. By putting buyers together, you create the motivation that simply does not come with individual showings. In such situations, buyers are much less likely to be wishy-washy. If they like the property, they inherently worry about one of the other buyers making an offer. You now have motivation and a perceived time limit. If you are getting interested in your property, but no offers, give this a try. You might be shocked at how much of a difference it makes. If you like the video, then like and share it and give your opinion through a comment. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, then do it now and also press the bell icon so that you can get notifications of my future videos. Thanks for watching.